Today I'm going to show you how to add fractions, specifically fractions with unlike denominators. So today we're going to do a basic 1/3 plus 2/5. Now we can't add these because the denominators are not the same. So we need to figure out a factor of 3 and 5 that we can replace so that we can add these fractions. So the best place to start is, first you need to know what your denominators are. Your denominators are the bottom number in your fractions. So in 1/3, that would be 3, and in 2/5, that is the 5. These are your denominators. We need to find a common denominator here, and 3 and 5 are not common. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the LCM of 3 and 5. The best way to do this is to list your factors of 3 and your factors of 5 until you find the first one that they have in common. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with a 3. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go over to the 5 and see if we haven't yet. So we've got 5, 10, 15, and I can stop because I see our LCM. That would be 15. Okay, that is the smallest factor that they both have in common. So 15 is going to be our denominator now. Okay, so now that we have 15 as our denominator, we need to figure out what our numerators are going to be. You cannot just rewrite 1 over 15 and 2 over 15 because that's not equivalent to the original 1/3 and 2/5. So what we need to ask ourselves is, how did we get from 3 to 15 and from 5 to 15? Specifically, what did we multiply by to get from 3 to 15 and from 5 to 15? Well, we multiply 3 by 5 to get 15, and we multiply 5 by 3 to give us 15. So we need to do the exact same thing to our numerators. Alright, so now I need to multiply 1 by 5, which gives me 5. I need to multiply 2 by 3, which gives me 6. So our new fractions, 1/3 becomes 5/15, and 2/5 becomes 6/15. Okay, so now we've got two fractions with a common denominator, so we can go ahead and add them. When you add fractions, you add your numerator, so I'm going to add 5 and 6, and you keep your denominator. So I get 5 plus 6 over 15. 5 plus 6 is 11, and you keep the 15. So 11/15 would be your final answer here.